First problem I had was that nowhere did it show on the website before I bought this that there was going to be any special custom woodworking need to be done here, where this says to recess that area only 7 millimeters, which means it needs to be done with a router. And I don't think that most people realize that a simple straight saw wouldn't be enough to do the job. So that's something that I think really ought to be pointed out in the instructions on the website before anybody buys it, so they know what they're getting into, that it's actually a woodworking project. So luckily I was able to borrow a router, and I was able to route out the corners down to 7 millimeters. However, then your video shows connectors similar to this little guy here with a screw that goes in it, and that would then go down and attach to an L bracket underneath the sink, which would then hold it in from the corner. Well, you didn't supply any of those black plastic brackets, and secondarily, if I put the little chrome cup here in and then put a screw in it and cap it off with this black plastic cap here, you'll see what happens is the glass top does not close down flush with the counter anymore. It doesn't, it's way above, I don't know if I can get a good picture of it here with the video camera, but it's way above the rim here. You can actually see into this area, and the whole idea is that you want the glass top to lay flat so that it could be used for a work surface or whatever when it's closed. So the plastic brackets that you show wouldn't work with this 7 millimeter depth thing routed out in the first place. The hardware supplied here does not go in. I put one in and I realized how much higher it was going to be when I pulled the top down, tried to pull it out, and the threads on the little Phillip head screw were so cheap that they just stripped right away. I had to literally yank it out to get it out of there. So that's it. I'm just sticking these things in here for now so that this has got a soft surface to sit on, but even at that you can again see that it's not level. It's not flush with the chrome rim around the edge of it. Just very disappointing. So this is what I got when I opened the box. Was the sink, the plumbing fittings. This was all the hardware that came with it, was this one little bag. No right angle plastic clips as shown in your video. And then this sheet of information here, which says, please read the instruction manual carefully before using the sink. Always keep the manual for reference. Well, there was no manual. This is my third email to you. It still doesn't seem like there is a manual. I'm guessing there isn't. Am I wrong? Too late for me now, but it'd be nice for your other customers to have one, because where it says on the box, easy installation, I did not find this at all easy to install.